of you will believe this. You kind of already saw this, and you're probably asking, hey, is this thing brand new? Everyone here, all the way from outside, and all of you are thinking, oh, did the machine explode or something? And you got, and then all you got the new one. Nope. If I'm sounding like this, it doesn't mean like I'm like sad or anything. I have no clue. I have no clue why I'm doing this. But I don't think you're gonna believe this. Okay. So, you're probably gonna be grossed out or no, not. But that's what it looks like. But that huge bang was this thing popped off. Literally, it popped off. And the cycle was like on 2 minutes left, and that's how it happened. But it's like all rusty, all like dirty. But the thing is like, I don't even know how old this machine is. But I don't even know how this happened. And yeah, makes me kind of disappointed. How many times do I have to say this? I'm disappointed. Okay, there we go. I'm disappointed that the thing literally just popped off. Like, literally. If you can, I don't think you can see that. Why is this thing? I don't know why. What was that? Okay, you can barely see anything. It's so blurry. Okay, well, this is a direct drive motor 10-year warranty. Oh, there you go. Oh, I'm trying to get it to the right. You can kind of see. If you, okay. There you go. That's what kind it is. And wait. Oh yeah, that's the lock. I believe this is the lock. So yeah. I was like, wait, do we have to get a whole new washing machine? And everyone was like, no, we don't. So we have to get a new one. Literally. Have to get this thing can't come off. Okay. And here's the back again. So yeah. This is kind of terrible, but like and subscribe.